dropping into the AO.
Got stuck in the staircase. Oh my god, 2 of them. Three on the staircase down low.
Alright, big re-
Right in front of me. Oh.
Active in the AO.
Utah prison.
I cracked one up there.
Yeah.
Sneeze.
Watch your
Oh
step.
fuck.
Friendly UAV
Sorry.
entering the area.
Water tower.
Oh fuck.
Water tower right here, like what? Wall?
Yeah.
25 remain.
We're fighting on loadout. On our loadout right now. On our loadout. Crack on by.
Head down steps
Be
here.
advised, you still have squad mates. Positive ID on the bounty target. Hunt 'em
Take
down.
cover. Take cover. Cat. Ow. 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 On me.
Still here.
Oh boy. Jesus. Jesus. Oh, hold on. Hold on tight.
And grandma's, I think. Second star headquarters looking, peeking at us.
Bounty targets identified. Weapons free.
I gotta sneeze. Aren't they disabling prime subs at the end of the year? Nah. Sorry. Fucking hell. Sorry. Fuck. Down here.
Enemy movement in the AO.
Nice goes. My right, my right stairs are
Resurgence is
close.
about to end. Make it count.
Oh.
Here.
Oh,
I think he's-
Water. Water.
Okay. Okay.
About done.
Nice.
Good shit. Good shit.